quick and easy. The personalization for vehicles with BMW Operating System 8 from July 2022 or newer connects your vehicle and your My BMW app seamlessly with your BMW ID. You don't have a BMW ID yet? Follow the welcome message on the control display. Select Register Now. Scan the QR code with your smartphone and complete the registration. Once your BMW ID is registered, it's added automatically to your car. The control display helps you to set up your BMW ID to get the perfect personalization depending on your needs. Always mobile. A notification informs you that your car has already been added to your My BMW app. Download and start the My BMW app. Log in with your BMW ID and find your car added to your garage. Take a shortcut. If you already have the app with your BMW ID and you use it to log into a BMW, this car is added to your garage automatically as well. This way, you can directly benefit from My BMW app features like remote services, charging management, and much more. Check our other video to see how your friends and family can also add the same vehicle to their My BMW app. And continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.